7.NS.2d. Convert 8/14 to a decimal. So I'm going to let you use a calculator for these. So 8/14, how else can we read that? We can read that as 8 divided by 14. And so obviously C and D are out. Let's look at the other one. So 571,428, 571,428. Does it stop there? No, it goes back to 5714. So we don't see it, but since it doesn't stop here, it keeps going. The answer to number 1 is B. On to number 2. The decimal equivalent of 17/27 is a repeating decimal. How many digits are in the repeating part of the decimal? So again, how can we read this? 17/27. So we can read it as 17 divided by 27. So we get 0.629, 629, 6296. How many digits are repeating? 629, then it starts over, so 3 repeating digits. So the answer to 2 is C. Moving on to 3. Suppose the repeating pattern continues forever. Is the number rational? If it repeats in the repeating pattern, is 02002, 02002, 02002. That's the pattern. And it tells us that it continues forever. Is that a rational number? Well, we can answer that question by stating what's an irrational number. If it's irrational, that means it is non-terminating and non-repeating, which means that it doesn't stop and it doesn't repeat. So it'll keep going in a different pattern, or there will not be a pattern, and it will just keep going and going and going. So this says it's repeating, which tells us that it is rational. So C and D are out because since it repeats, it has to be rational. So because the number is equivalent to a repeating decimal, because the number is terminating, well, it doesn't terminate because it continues forever, so it can't be B. So we've eliminated B, C, and D. The answer to 3 has to be A. It's rational because the number is equivalent to a repeating decimal, and that's the repeating decimal. On to number 4. Number 4. Which of the following rational numbers have 3 digits that repeat in its decimal equivalent? So which of these have 3 digits that repeat? So let's look at A. Does A have 3 digits that repeat? So 3 divided by 8, 0.375. So 0.375. Is that a repeating decimal? No. So that can't be our answer. Let's move on to B. 10/21. 10 divided by 21. 476,190,476,2. So that is 0.476,190,476,2. It looks like this is repeating, but it doesn't start over until you get to here. And we're looking for 3 digits. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So that one does not work either. Moving on to C. 11/27. So we can write that as 11 divided by 27. And we get 0.407, 407, 407. So 0.407, 407, 407. How many digits repeat? That's 3. So C works. Moving on to D. 8/35. We can write that as 8 divided by 35, and we get 0.2285, 0.2285, 714,286. Yeah, nope, that one doesn't work. Moving on to E. 7 over 37. We can write that as 7 divided by 37. We get 0.189, 189, 189. 0.189, 189, 189. That will repeat. And how many digits are repeating? 3. So those two work. The answer to 4 is C and E.